A Sudanese court sentenced a man's pregnant wife to death when she declined to renounce her Christian faith. The woman's husband told CNN he felt helpless after a Khartoum court convicted his wife, 27-year-old Meriam Yehya Ibrahim, of refusing to recant her faith. Her husband said that she was a Christian, but the court deems her to be Muslim. She was also convicted of adultery and sentenced to 100 lashes since her marriage to a Christian man is regarded as invalid under Sharia law. Her lawyer said that the court gave her a couple of days to denounce her Christian faith, something she declined to do. Lawyer Muhammad Jar El-Nadi, who was representing Ibrahim, said that during the sentencing, a sheikh told the hearing how risky a crime like this is to Islam and the community of Islam. Ibrahim's legal team said that it planned to appeal the ruling, which drew quick criticism from human rights organization globally. For now, Ibrahim, 8 months pregnant, remains behind bars with her 20-month-old son. She was born to an Ethiopian Orthodox mother and a Sudanese Muslim father. Her biological father left when she was age 6. And Ibrahim was brought up by her mother as a Christian. However, since her father was Muslim, the courts regarded her to be the same, which would imply her marriage to a non-Muslim is invalid. The case, her attorney said, began after her brother filed a complaint against her, claiming that she had gone missing for some years and that her family was surprised to find out she had married a Christian man. The court's verdict left a family divided, with Ibrahim in prison and her husband struggling to survive. The couple's son is having a hard time behind bars. In past cases relating to nursing or pregnant women, the government of Sudan waited until the mother had weaned her baby before any sentence was executed. Catherine Perks with the ACTPS, African Center for Justice and Peace Studies, said that the ruling goes against Sudan's constitution and commitments obligations made under regional and global laws. She added that Meriam has been convicted purely on account of her personal status and religious convictions. Foreign embassies in Khartoum urged the government to overturn the ruling. Efforts to speak to Sudan's Foreign Affairs Minister and Justice Minister regarding the Ibrahim case were futile. Sudan is one of the most frustrating countries to live in as a Christian. The United States Commission on International Religious Freedom said that under President Omar al-Bashir, Sudan continues to engage in methodical, continuous and egregious violations of freedom of belief and religion. The commission said that the country imposes Sharia law on Muslims and non-Muslims similarly and punishes acts of immorality and indecency by amputations and floggings. The commission also added that conversion from Islam is an offense carrying a death sentence. Suspected converts to Christianity face pressure from the society and government. Security personnel terrorize and at times torture people suspected of conversion. It also said that the government of Sudan has detained Christians for spreading their faith, burned churches and seized Christians' property. Since 1999, the United States Department has called Sudan one of the worst religious rights offenders, counting it among 8 countries of specific concern. Other countries of concern, which enforce stern penalties on Christians or other faiths, are Saudi Arabia, Myanmar, North Korea, Uzbekistan, China, Iran and Eritrea. Attorney Mohammed Jar El-Nabi says he received a death threat today before the contentious court inquiry, with an unidentified caller informing him to withdraw from representing Ibrahim or risk attack.